Hey, Brandon Dilbeck, SpectrumForMed.com, and this is the Pivotal Healthcare Solutions ATT300 Intersegmental Traction Table. Intersegmental traction, commonly known as IST, is a great therapy for increasing circulation and mobility in a spine. Often clinicians will use it as a pre-treatment. For example, instead of a patient coming into your clinic and waiting in your waiting room, you can put them on an IST table for a warm-up before you carry them back to treatment. The table is 72 inches long, a fixed height of 25 inches, and comes standard as a 22-inch width. There is a 25-inch width option. There are 10 vinyl color options. This is our mocha color, black being our most popular, as well as the table comes standard with casters, which is great for getting the table into your clinic and rolling it around in the rooms. It can be a little tedious when dealing with hard surfaces though. Your ATT300 will arrive at your door in a shipping crate. First, separate the cardboard at the base. Then remove the top. Under the cardboard, you'll see the table is strapped to the pallet. Cut each strap to free the table. Take the top off the table to make it easier to handle. One person can lift the table over the roller stops and slide it off the pallet. The table is on casters and easily fits through doors. There's a few things to set up inside the table before you can use it. Your bolsters will be bagged on the inside. Take them out and set them aside for now. Feed the power cord under the table, being sure to keep it away from any moving parts. There's a block here to keep the carriage from moving during shipment. Remove this block. Remove the brace shown here to free the carriage. The brace has two parts, so be sure to get both out of the way. So now that we've got the table unpackaged and installed, and while I still have the lid off, I'm going to go through the different features and show you what they are doing inside the table. Now all of these features I'm going to show you are standard that come with the ATT300. We have a 30-minute timer. You can set the time anywhere between 0 and 30 minutes. Typical treatment time is going to be 10 to 15 minutes. That is going to give you power to all of your different options, starting with roller travel. I'm going to flip that to the on position, and it is going to have the rollers travel up and down the lumbar spine. Here you can see an indicator showing us where it is as it moves. Next we have massage. To the right is going to be a clockwise rotation on our rollers. In the neutral position, there's going to be no movement at all, and then to the left is going to be a counterclockwise rotation. Depending on what segment of the spine you're treating, you may prefer to have clockwise or counterclockwise. Moving on, we have vibration. Move that to the on position. Our vibration is located right here. And then we have our intensity. You have a range from 1 to 6, which is a 4-inch increment. By pressing the up arrow, it begins to raise our rollers. You can see them moving up on the indicator and see them raising against the patient's spine. Once we make our selections, the treatment's going to run for the time that we've set. At the end of the treatment, when the timer is finished, the table has an auto rundown feature, so it's going to bring those rollers back down to 0 in preparation for our next patient. The ATT300 is a popular table with chiropractors and therapists looking for a passive therapy. With its quality manufacturing and aggressive price point, it's a great model to consider when looking for an intersegmental traction table. To see more and view upholstery colors, visit us online at spectrum4med.com. And please feel free to call and speak with one of our knowledgeable sales associates at 800-864-3894.